Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you how to fix the error when we are dealing with the validation controls in ASP.NET. Script resource mapping named jQuery case sensitive. For this video tutorial I have created a new project. Go to Solution Explorer and this is the project name validation-tutorial. I'm creating a new web form page. Right click the project, add new item, and I'm choosing web form. Web form name is validation example. Click add, and here is the page we just created, validation example.aspx page with a default HTML5 core. Now between the font tag I'm adding enter name. I'm adding one text box control and also I'm adding one button control. And the last control I'm adding the validation control, validation require field validator, control to validate. This is the ID. And the error message I'm changing to please enter the name. Let's run this code. We'll check this validator control is working or not on the browser. Google Chrome. Here we got the output of that code. When I click the button control without enter any values, we are expecting to get the validation error message. Let us see what will happen. And here we got the error. The validation control is not working. The reason, please add a script resource mapping named jQuery case sensitive. To fix this error, let's switch over to the coding part. Let's close the output. Open the Solution Explorer. In the web.config file, open that one. After the system web, app settings, add key validation settings as capital colon. We need to add, go to the browser again. Let's copy that code, this one, value none. That's it. Let's run this code again. Google Chrome. After adding the add settings and enable the validation mode in the web.config file, you'll get a new output. The previous output we got this error when we click the button control. Now this time we'll check. So notice here the validation control is working perfectly. Please enter the name. Let's try and something. That's it. If you like this video, please leave your valuable comment, share this video, and please subscribe my channel. Catch you on my upcoming videos.